Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2019 Grady-White 27-foot fisherman. This 271 is light blue to match under the hardtop. Boat does have outriggers. Windlass has not yet been bottom painted. Has a boarding ladder, Bennett trim tabs, twin 300 horse Yamaha outboards, rocket launcher across the back. Let's go inside and take a look. As we come in the 271, you can see it has a walk-through transom door, the fish box, live well with cutting board on top, freshwater shower, cup holders, remote engine flush. This boat does have the aft seat, tackle station, has a sink, a second live well, 4-rod rocket launcher on the aft of the helm with a knife holder. We already looked at the 4 up top for a total of 8. We have 3 rod holders in each gunnel. This boat does not yet have electronics. It does have the new style Yamaha gauge, fusion stereo, tilt wheel, compass, has the overhead box, speakers in the hard top, cockpit lights in the hard top. As we go forward, has the seating with a backrest. Flip up for the walk-through forward to get to the windlass or for fishing. Recessed cleats, running lights, cup holders, some rod holders. As we open the head in the 27 Grady, it is a full marine head, teak and holly floor with storage and access to the back side of your helm. This is the 2019 27-foot Grady-White 271 Fisherman. Thank you.